everybody, welcome to the channel. I haven't done a video in a while, but today will be a very special video coming to you live from Quarantine, USA. Kidding, the coronavirus is going around, so everybody's on lockdown, but what a better way to spend it than edit videos, do unboxing videos, and make videos for you guys, and browse YouTube, play PC games, yeah, just enjoy life. But I'm not really letting it affect me very much, so I still go out and about doing stuff, but I live pretty much in a very small town, where not in a big city where any of this stuff is going on. So enough about that. Push that aside. Let's try and get away from all the negativity that's going on in the whole world, I guess, right now, as far as the panic and all that stuff. So, but today I have a very special video for you guys. I am super happy, super excited. Been looking forward to this day for a long time, and it's all it is, unboxing video. But you guys have got to check out what this video is. So without further ado, let me bring in the surprise. Yeah! The Mavic 2 Pro. I've been wanting this drone for a long time, since it came out basically, but I just couldn't really justify it because I actually had a Phantom 4. I bought the Phantom 4 when it first came out, and it's actually, give me 1 second here. A Phantom 4, mine, is actually right here in this great big backpack, which I've taken out to the mountains, snowmobiling, up lake trout fishing, taking it clear down to Panama on vacation. Got video of places down in Panama, beaches, stuff like that. But this bugger here probably weighs about, I don't know, probably 40 pounds or so. And imagine 110 degree heat lugging this bugger around, trying to climb up waterfalls, stuff like that. Not very good. Trying to snowmobile in the mountains with this thing hanging off your back, a little too heavy. So that is where this guy comes in. A lot smaller, a lot lighter, a lot more portable, and the video quality is probably better because I actually have the regular Phantom 4, not the Phantom 4 Pro. So I think that one shoots 60 megabits per second, whereas this one shoots like 100 megabytes per second, I believe, in 4K. The only downside to this, in my opinion, I love shooting videos for you guys, stuff like that. The only downside to this drone, two of them actually. One, it does not shoot 4K 60. I really, really wish it did, but is it completely necessary? Not really, but if you want that nice smooth motion for recording fast subjects and stuff, yeah, then it would be nice. But I'll be able to live and survive and get by without 4K 60 for now. So till in the future when a better drone comes out. But I watched videos on this versus a Autel Evo 2 8K, and my opinion, this one still took better video from what I've seen on YouTube. I haven't seen them in person to actually compare, but just what I've seen on YouTube, this one still looks like it performed better than the Autel. So anyway, let's get this unboxed, let's check it out and see what is in here, because I'm not like all those other fancy guys that do the close-ups and everything else. I hope you guys appreciate a little bit different perspective and point of view, so that way not all channels are the same. I don't do the super high-end fancy production values that they do. Maybe someday I'll get into that. I hope as my channel grows, gets bigger. But take the plastic off it, and then let's see what's in the box here. There we go. Oh, cool. It just slides right off here. That's easy enough. Put that over here. This is in a cool box here. You can see it's kind of like got that line going through there, so it'll actually open up this way from the front. But I gotta cut that open. Very nice. It's my opinion, it's really unfortunate that our government is basically ruining the drone industry right now with all the legislation and everything else. So you guys are getting the first look at this. I can't even see it. Alright, I hope you guys are happy now. Now it's my turn to see it. Woo! There it is. God, that's small. I love that. That is so awesome. Check that out, guys. So, now I gotta get it out of the box. But we got the drone here. Let me pull this out. See how tight it's in here? Not too bad. Alright, I'll give you guys some close-ups. Dude, this drone is so nice it deserves close-ups, so I'm gonna get them out of here, hold them in front of the camera so you can get a better look at them. Controller, drone, accessories, battery, charger probably. So, right. Look at this bugger. This is a Mavic 2 Pro, not the Zoom. So the one thing I was saying is 4K 60 I would like to have on this, and the other thing would be the zoom function. That would be really nice. But you got all your position sensors, LED lights here for landing, stuff like that. I don't even know what all these sensors are for. Obstacle avoidance, sensor on the top so you don't fly into stuff up above. Got your arms just open up here. One. Check this out. They open up with such a nice kind of spring when they open. It's so nice. And then these back two just actually fold down. So that would fold out like that. And this would fold out like that. And I have a ton of accessories coming for this, so I'll do videos on all of them also. So stay tuned to my channel for all this. But this drone is sweet, man. And then here, this here is the battery. Click here. And just lift up. That is your battery. Super easy to take out. Really nice. Push it in. Locks right in. Memory card, I'm guessing, or USB to charge it. I'm not sure yet. But god dang, that's a nice drone. Gimbal protector. This will come off when you're flying to get video. So, man, is that nice. Fold that arm down. Fold that arm down, fold that in. Alright, so the gimbal cover just pops in here. Little tab right here. Just lift that up, and then it snaps in right up top here. So then you just undo that, and this whole thing would come out. But I'm not going to take it all the way out. So, really nice. Alright, now let's check out the controller. Got your DJI controller here. You have the plastic over the screen, which I'll leave on. You got the I'll put that over the screen for now. But this here, when you open these, you have your thumbsticks hidden right inside here. Just pull them out and screw them on. Just like that. Just quick, easy. And go fly. Then when you're done, drop them on the floor so you lose them. Hopefully they go down a vent or something, you know, so you can't find them ever again, or get cat hair on them. So yeah, then they just slide right back into this little groove right here. Pretty darn sweet. These antennas just fold up like that. Then you can actually pivot them however you want that way. You got your photo, tilt up and down, I believe, or no, exposure maybe, and record and tilt. I forget, but anyway, yeah, really nice. Then you got two other buttons down below here. So that is the setup for the controller. Folds up really small, really nice. And then in the other box, charger. This is just battery charger, guys. So not much to see in that one. But I do have, like I say, I got cases coming. I got ND filters coming. I got a ton of accessories coming for this little guy. Leg extensions to get it up off the ground. We got them coming too. So stay tuned for a whole lot more from this beautiful little drone. Man, is that nice. So nice. Super happy. So stick around for a future video, guys. Hope you liked the unboxing. Hope I didn't bore you to death. If you have any other questions, any other videos you want to see, so yeah, any other suggestions, just leave them down in the comments. But otherwise, I appreciate all your guys' support and helping me grow my channel. I know it's not taking off big yet, but that's because I got to get more videos going. So I will try my best, guys. And until then, stay tuned and favorite, like, share, and subscribe. And let me know what you want to see. All right, later. Be safe, everybody.